Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
It is hot. Hey, hot out here, mate. What's going?
It's so hot out there.
You got those electric windows, mate.
Why is it so hot out there?
I'm filming you, filming me, filming you.
Double vlogging. Filming you.
Double vlogging. Get out of there. Ah. What are you stealing?
No, I'm putting it in. Too hot.
Oh boy, we zoomed right in.
Whoa.
You'll be alright.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
You hot or the road? Oh.
Yeah. I just do a couple of throws. No, nothing but the best.
Oh, what's going on there?
So that's a sanger.
Vegemite sanger?
You gotta eat the edges, mate. Otherwise you get air. Is that, if you eat sangers, you can see it, right? Or is that carrots? Sangers give you a hair.
Yeah, but it's still raining.
Yeah, okay, bro. We're in San Francisco.
Yeah.
Everything goes missing. You guys got so many crackheads. What do you want?
Neutral. Double whammy?
Double whammy.
You nearly binned her.
Oh, yeah, fucking oath.
Sheesh. That's a 2 finger gap.
Fucking hell.
2 fingers, mate. Hey?
Fly the drone?
Yeah.
Who?
Me.
Oh yeah, fly the drone, not me.
Fly the drone.
I thought you said, do you want to fly the drone? I was like,
You need to get some of your Australian skid mates out here and come to a burnout.
then everybody would get mad.
Everyone get the air, probably. That's alright.
Because I'm sure the cars are probably louder and they probably attract the attention,
These
right?
fucks are loud. They just make way more smoke.
What are you looking at, Sam?
Oh, I'm looking at trying to...
Inside your van?
work, man.
Need a wee.
It's hot. Oh, fuck, I nearly binned it. Spot number 2.
He's going to be fucking happy about it.
Oh! Flash threads. Lads are all rolling in. Farrow's Customs? Shit! Guy's famous.
What's up, mate?
Hey, cheers.
No zoom lens.
Mate, can't be doing that.
Next camera works. So
Mate, the wind will just put us straight on your fucking fresh van.
I hope he's pissing on himself.
I can see myself in your sunnies. What's up?
Yeah, there are fake heat waves.
Fake waves.
Fake heat waves.
Fake waves. Oh boy.
Jose, you can skid that thing here. There's heaps of room.
Can you tell us how hot it is in American right now?
Yeah, I can tell you. It's like 40 degrees at home right here.
40, how hot is it here in American numbers?
Oh, I'll tell you right now. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit. 91. It's a bit hot, dude. 91.
That's what they sound like. Dinosaur.
We got some new mods happening on the van. Mind all the mess. Cut the window in. We're going to seal her up so I can see through into the back. See the bikes, make sure they're doing good while we're driving. Move that big box. We got a couple of USB-Cs up there. I've got a little drone charger for my FPV drone. This little fella. It's doing well. Got a light. See what you're doing?
Hi, G.
What do you reckon? Check it out.
It's a bit hot. Get it out.
What?
We'll have some fun.
What? It's a weird looking beer.
Stay hydrated, my boy.
It should be set up. It's got like the ND and stuff.
Looks good.
Yeah, boy. Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, brother.
America. What do you reckon?
You got the long double handy, that was sick.
Yeah, we need to go further back. We need to see the helmet drag.
Helmet drag? I suppose I can do a helmet drag. You're pushing it.
Please.
Hey, calm down. If you want water, you gotta be nice. The water's on the other side.
Hey. Not enough, it's too hot.
You had enough, have you? Calling it quits for the day. Give us a fucking. Go to the other side, there's beers in there.
So fucking tired, old.
You're definitely old, you look old. Fuck, you nearly headbutted the van.
Head drag training.
You're just posing like that. Your shirt.
So fucking
You're grubbed.
Give me a break.
So you've had a few breaks already.
My arms sore, I'm tired, t-shirt sore, your pants sore.
Head sore.
Head's rough.
Hey, head like that should be sore. I think so, yeah, from Adelaide.
I've heard of her.
From Adelaide.
Yeah. Great
He's
tits.
actually confused. It's an it. First ride for the year is done. Cheers for watching, legends. Appreciate everyone that's subscribed and jumped on and commented on the last couple of videos we've done. If you like this, what we're doing here, jump on, grab some merch and show a bit of support. Also grab a stubby holder that conveniently stick to shit. I think it's pretty fucking cool. And I'm doing a bit more stuff this year, so stay tuned for all that. And yeah, hope you enjoy the little bit of FPV that I put in there, because that's something that is new to me. I've only flown the thing 4 or 5 times, so I'm still learning on how to operate the beast. Fucking thing just wants to go fast. So chuck a like, chuck a subscribe, throw a comment, do whatever the fuck you want. But thanks for watching. Catch you next time.